welcome back to my channel guys. I am Vagisha Mishra and I review and decode beauty pageants at my channel. So please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed it already, and also turn on the bell icon so you'll be the first to get notified whenever our video goes live at my channel. So welcome back to this series Road to Miss Universe 2020, and I'm so happy to be doing all the videos covering Miss Universe 2020 because this edition is a complete star edition for Miss Universe. I mean, just look at all the delegates who have reported to the hotel in Florida. They all look so stunning in their beautiful ensembles, and I am finally here to share my favorite looks from day one of Miss Universe 2020. Now, I have been posting some videos and pictures at Instagram after a very long time, and you all have been reaching out to my DMs asking me who is my favorite contestant on day one of Miss Universe 2020. Now, you all know who all are my favorites, and it's very hard to narrow down the contestant into top 20 even because the batch is super strong. But looking at few candidates, the moment a winner arrives in the competition, it's very much clearly visible that they stand out in the crowd. And this is why I'm here to share my favorite standouts from the day one of the Miss Universe 2020. Now, the looks which I will be discussing will not only be the looks which are very gorgeous and luxurious in terms of styling or in terms of dresses, but I'll be talking about the overall persona and the overall personality a candidate brings on to the competition on the very first day. And as they keep on saying that the first impression is the last impression, and I have always believed in this quote ever since, I believe that it's very important to nail that very first impression. So without further ado, let's get started and let's talk about few candidates whom I think are simply stunning on day one of the Miss Universe competition. So let's get started. So my favorite look from the day one of the competition has to be Amanda Obdam from Thailand. So she wore a beautiful tangerine dress on the very first day when she checked in the hotel for the competition. And I must say that this beautiful outfit from Celesta Boutique looked absolutely stunning on Amanda. I loved her sleek hair, how it was let down very elegantly, and her overall makeup was also very much stunning. She kept the look completely simple. It was not very bold, it was not very loud, but at the same time it was quite remarkable. Decent and subtle for day one. Very smart choice. Now my number two favorite look has to be of Nguyen Tra Khawa from Vietnam. Now every time I question that whether Vietnam can make it huge at Miss Universe or not, here we have their representative shining in complete aura. So the moment she entered in the competition, she walked outside the hotel lobby and she filmed a video where she was wearing a shimmery gold shirt along with boots and black shorts from Kwai Kao. I really loved that particular look. It was chic, it was glamorous, and it was super sexy. Now Miss Universe competition previously, especially in the Trump era, was always known for the glittery, shimmery attention which the delegates get throughout the competition and even in the finale night. Now with the advent of IMG, this had seemed to be changed a little bit, and closely Miss Universe is following the lines of Miss World, but let's not get there. When I'm talking about Vietnam, I definitely feel that shimmery and glittery kind of persona which she brings into the picture, and that's what I really love about her. The way she walks down the runway, again as I mentioned, the world is your runway. She is walking down on the streets and it looked like she is completely prepared, confident and polished. I mean, the way she looked at the camera, her eyes told million stories that she's not simply afraid about anything. So I feel that Vietnam is super prepared for the competition, and I personally love this entire look. Now next up at number 3, my favorite third look of day one of Miss Universe 2020 has to be of Andrea Meza from Mexico. Now she already knows how to walk the walk and talk the talk, and she has been the runner-up at Miss World, so her experience screams a lot. However, when she stepped in the competition on the very first day, I think she looked completely like a Hollywood star in that red and pink outfit. She was donning a pink coat and red dress, and I think it completely complemented her personality, which is fierce and ferocious. I loved her thoroughly, and I definitely feel that she has the star quality to stand out in the crowd. Now my fourth favorite look has to be of Miss Universe Philippines, Rabia Mateo. Now Philippines is super prepared when it comes to the Miss Universe competition. I mean, we cannot expect Philippines to send a stunner without proper planning at all. So that is completely very much understandable, you know, how Rabia Mateo steps in the competition, and the gorgeous outfit which she donned during the day one of the Miss Universe completely complemented her graceful aura, yet highlighted that chic sexy vibe which she has in her. Now when she stepped forward in a two-piece outfit, she not only looked sexy, but at the same time the beautiful details of her outfit, they were quite elegant enough to garner attention. And that's why I feel that Philippines has completely nailed the competition on the day one of Miss Universe. Now let's come to my fifth favorite look of the day one of Miss Universe, and it has to be of India, Adeline Castellino. I completely love this beautiful ensemble which Adeline Castellino donned on the day one of the competition. She was wearing a beautiful outfit by Saisha Shinde. And when we look at the color of her outfit, white, it reflects purity, it reflects charm and elegance. Now many times at different international pageants like Miss World, Manushi has wore white outfits quite a many times, and even at Miss World 2014, Koil Rana has wore white outfits many times in Charity Gala, in Beauty with a Purpose presentation, and many more events. So I definitely feel that white is a very safe and subtle color to start and begin your competition with utmost vigor and enthusiasm, because you're still waiting to show your best and you still want to be demanding in terms of your personality. So this is what this outfit does for Adeline Castellino, and I think she looked very sexy. I absolutely love the details of that outfit, and I think it would look equally stunning on Mansa Varanasi as well. I mean, the similar kind of outfit must be sent with Mansa Varanasi at Miss World as well. But let's not come there. Let's stick to the top favorite looks of day one, and let's talk about my another favorite from day one, and it has to be Maria Thatil from Australia. Now this beautiful outfit, although we cannot say that this outfit is everything, but the vibe which that outfit gives is definitely something. Now Maria Thatil looks like a rock star. She looks very stunning in this beautiful outfit, and the color black complements her powerful personality, and that is something which is the beauty and magic of this dress. Now Jason Gretsch has designed this outfit for Maria Thatil, and the interesting thing about this outfit is that it is inspired by the art in the streets of Melbourne. So that is something which screams about the culture of Australia, and to start with your competition and still get connected to your roots of your homeland, that is something which simply blows my mind. So Australia for that matter. Now let's come to my number 7 favorite look from day one, and it has to be Natasha Joubert from South Africa. Now there can be no reason why I would not keep Natasha in this list, because irrespective of the outfit she wears, she looks very refined, graceful and sophisticated in her complete aura and personality. Even if she goes on to wear a simple denim and a t-shirt, she's still going to nail her entire look. That is the beauty of her personality. So looking at her, I think I really loved her hair. It's beautiful, it gives a very subtle vibe, and it's always good to keep your first look as a subtle yet very powerful and impactful, because you still want the audience to wait for what is to come next, what is to follow next, and what to expect in the coming days. So in that sense, we can definitely say that Natasha simply slayed with this simple yet impactful look. Now coming to number 8, I have Daniela Nicolas from Chile. Now, as I mentioned in my up close and personal videos review, that Chilli is all set to make it huge at Miss Universe. So when she arrived at the Miss Universe competition in this black outfit, she definitely looked like she's here for the red carpet show. She looked like a Hollywood star, and her hair loose beautifully. She's completely enjoying the moment, and that's really more important, that whenever you are at a pageant, you need to enjoy your moment so that you give the authentic vibe which you actually have. So this is what I really loved about her entire personality. She looked very sexy, fierce, and at the same time very powerful. So nobody can ignore Chilli on day one of the competition. Now at number 9, I have Jamaica. I really love that red jumpsuit of Jamaica which she wore during the check-in at the hotel at Miss Universe competition. And I think it completely complemented her beauty, her model's body, and her overall personality. She looked very stunning in that hairstyle, and I think that she's very much prepared for the competition as of now. And to close my top 10 favorite looks from day one of Miss Universe, it has to be Curacao Chantal wears. I simply love that blue color, and it gave a very soothing and calm vibes which Chantal's personality also possesses. So on the day one of the competition, Curacao looked like she's very prepared for the competition, and she's not simply here to get a placement but to even go higher and make a mark. So that was all for today's video. Do let me know in the comment section what do you think about it, and also tell me who are your favorites from the day one of the Miss Universe 2020 competition. Until next time, I will be coming up with more videos on Miss Universe 2020. So stay tuned and also follow me on Instagram to not miss out on any pageant story or update. So see you next time. Thank you.